This is Flynn's first meal. He's having rice cereal. Oh, sweetie. Yummy. Oh, yummy.
Oh, Flynny.
Oh. Oh, you quite like it.
Oh, is it going in? Is it staying in? Hello, gorgeous.
Ah.
Nope.
His first meal. What do you think of that, sweetie? What do you think about that?
Oh, is it yummy?
I
Is
don't.
it yummy?
He wants to eat the spoon instead. Do you want to eat the spoon instead, gorgeous? What do you think about that?
Open up.
A bit more?
Open up. Oh, you're going to be a very messy child, aren't you?
Oh, not much is staying in, is it? Not much is staying in your mouth. No. Oh. Look at you, sweetie. There's more out there than in your mouth.
Oh, Flynny.
Here you go, sweetie. Do you like that? Do you like it, sweetie?
You take your hand away from your mouth, sweetie. You can't fit the spoon in with more. Oh.
Oh. Oh, that's good. Is that yummy? Oh, it's going up your nose. You'll be breathing rice cereal. What do you think about that? What do you think about that, sweetie? Hey? Can you get enough?
You want some more? It's going down, isn't it?
About one more mouthful.
Go on, one more. Open up.
Not going to have any hands left in a minute.
Oh, is that it?
There you go, beautiful.
Oh, you did very well.
You definitely have a unique eating style. Oh.
Maybe you like banana more.